Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play EFootball. Let's begin with the fundamentals. To move your player, simply use the left analog stick. For precise short passes, tap the dedicated pass button. If you want to send a ball into open space for a teammate to run onto, hold down the through ball button. Mastering these basic movements and passes is your first step to dominating the virtual pitch. Now, let's focus on putting the ball in the net. To take a shot, press the shoot button. Remember, the longer you hold it, the more powerful your shot will be. When dribbling, hold the dash button to accelerate past defenders. Combine this with 1-2 passes, where you pass and immediately receive the ball back to break through tight defenses and create scoring opportunities. A strong defense is crucial for victory. To apply pressure on the ball carrier, use the pressure button, which will send a nearby teammate to challenge. Quickly switch between players using the player change button to cover open spaces and mark dangerous attackers. When making a tackle, time your standing tackle button press carefully to win the ball cleanly and avoid conceding free kicks or penalties. Ready to elevate your game? Master skill moves by combining the right analog stick with directional inputs to beat defenders with flair. For more precise shots, hold the modifier button while pressing shoot to attempt a controlled shot, ideal for placing the ball in the corners. Don't forget to practice your set pieces. Well-executed free kicks and corners can turn the tide of any match.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.